When it comes to getting your vehicle repaired, maintained or tested, Bridgefield Garage in Elland is the smart choice. Trusted by motorists for over 25 years, this family-owned business is passionate about keeping you and your vehicle on the road with reliable and professional garage services that you can trust. At Bridgefield Garage, we believe in honesty, transparency and good customer service, which is why so many motorists trust us with their vehicle repairs. All our work is carried out by our experienced ATA technicians who have a passion for the trade and who can work quickly to get you back on the road as soon as possible. From servicing and diagnostics to MOTs, brakes and clutches and general repairs. We work on all kinds of vehicles and are also 4x4 specialists. If you're looking for tyre and wheel alignment, then Bridgefield Garage can help. We supply and fit tyres of all sizes and brands, from high-performance tyres to high-quality budget options. If you're unsure if you need new tyres, then come and see us for an assessment. We fit and align tyres to the highest standards using the latest alignment technology to ensure the best results. If you require testing or servicing on your motorhome, then Bridgefield Garage can also help. Our experienced ATA technicians are able to offer a variety of services designed to keep your camper on the road. So whether you have a 4x4, car or motorhome, come and visit us here at Bridgefield Garage today.